Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find business books on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the lower bar, tap to the search icon, the discover, and in the browse us section you can find the second row and click to the second button, the business. In the category section you can find different topics, for example the communication, development, e-commerce and others. You can check these books, you can save it for later, you can check the ratings, and you can find a short recommendation. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.